In this video, we will explore the differences between Akiflow and Notion. So which one is really better? So these two are really powerful tools that serve entirely different purposes. For Notion, it is an all-in-one customizable workspace. You can use it to create notes, databases, wikis, and personal dashboards. It's ideal for users who enjoy designing and managing complex information structures. However, Notion doesn't really come with a native calendar-based scheduling tool. That's where Akiflow comes in. So for Akiflow, it is built specifically for execution. It connects with tools like Notion, Google Calendar, and Gmail and allows you to turn tasks into scheduled actions with just a few clicks. Think of it as the tool that takes your written plans and turns them into a structured way. If you love building your own systems from scratch, then Notion is unmatched. But if you would want to focus more on executing tasks and managing your daily time effectively, then Akiflow may provide the clarity and the control that you need. And that's basically it. If you found this comparison helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very good day.